I often see stories of someone making 10, 50, or even $200,000 trading binary options. Often people make such sums with almost no capital. And I'm always very interested in how it happens. My task now is to find some super safe and relevant strategy and try to make a lot of money with only $200 on my real balance. Now I will start a search, and in this video I will show in detail how I will do it. I have found an interesting tactic and I plan to test it right now with you. In my work, I will use Heikin Ashi candles and a time frame of 10 minutes. I will also need a MACD and stochastic oscillator. To check my signals, I will use Market Watch. And all that remains to be done now is to play with the settings a little. I start with a MACD indicator, changing fast period to 6, slow period to 12, signal period to 4. I will slightly change the color and size of all the lines so that it's easier to see and show. And the last step is to set up the stochastic oscillator, stochastic indicator, K period to 8, D period to 2, smoothing period to 2. Now I'm going to read the instructions again and try to find some kind of signal. Now I will show you how to open a trade and how the strategy works, but first I will remind you that in my free Telegram blog you can repeat all my trades for binary options. I share my experience for free, give signals, tell you how not to lose a deposit, help you individually and answer all questions. In general, if you need help, open a link in the video description and write to me. I'm waiting for you. And so friends, I'm going to take a risky bet and try to double my balance on the first try. The expiration time is 2 minutes, the amount is $200, I think that the price will decrease, and I open a trade for sale. I press the red button right now. I don't recommend starting that way because you can lose your balance from the first trade, but in that case, I'll just make a second deposit and try again. And so, in this strategy, I work on a rapid market corrections and look for situations where candles change the trend. For example, here I see how the green candles have grown very fast and high, and now everything has been falling down for 2 or 3 minutes. The most classic correction is taking place and my task is to catch it. Friends, MACD lines help me to find such a moment. I see how a few seconds ago 2 lines crossed it at a critically high point and are now heading down. Also, on a histogram, I see red candles in a lower position and this is a good signal, so my charts are correct. Stochastic completely duplicates the signals, the lines intersected at the top point, and in general, the signal already looks very good. Look at this. But to make another additional check, I look at a market watch scale and see that many traders on this currency pair are opening a trade for sale. I saw it 30 seconds ago, but the scale can change. So my analysis is correct, my charts are correct, and I did everything according to the instructions. I can't change anything, so I'm just waiting for the result. I think I have no reason to stress because the signal is good, and here I will make a profit. Look at this, friends. My balance is almost doubled, and this is a really good start. I'm lucky. Okay, I can't afford to take risks twice in a row, so I choose the amount of $300 and open a trade here to sell again. I press the red button. I hope that I have made the explanation as clear as possible for everyone. Nothing has changed in this trade. Everything is exactly the same as last time. This strategy really gives a very stable profit if you work according to instructions and pay attention to every detail. I'm testing it for the first time, but almost every second comment on the forum is positive. So, friends, it's worth a try. Also, to make your trades even more profitable, I want to give you some advice from myself. I said it many times before, but I want to say it again. Always look for logic in candles. The indicators may look good, everything may be according to instructions, but first of all, look at the candles and look at the trend. Everything should be logical. After every rise, there will be a fall. After every fall, there will be a rise. It's simple. $650. This means that the trade is profitable. It's very good. Let's move on. Okay, look at this, friends. The situation was good. I did everything right, but for some reason it's a loss. I don't see my mistakes, so most likely it's just a bad luck. Yeah, look at this. And now everything is fine. I found a similar buy signal. As you can see, the trade made a profit. My balance is over $1,000. Look at this, friends. I have tripled my capital and even made more. Okay, friends, I increased my deposit 5 times in 20 minutes. This is a cool result that each of you can achieve. So that's the strategy, and write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting for me. Don't forget about $100 for 5 random people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something to my Telegram, link only in the video description. And in the next video, choose 5 people randomly and send money, and that's the guys in the last video. Maybe next time it will be you. I wish you more profits, and I see you soon on my YouTube channel.